Nous arrivons dans Bloomingdale's, mais les voilà, Bloomingdale's. Bloomingdale's. Je viens acheter souliers artistes là avec ceinture. Moi, le blond, $2000. Good. You remember me? I need the shoes, the same. I need this, huh? I think I forgot it. Can I get one, please? Thank you very much.
You didn't come with all your friends today?
No, I didn't come with my friend. I need Gucci shoes. Mam fait mon dem choisi. The one that was 1,000. I need one like that. I take this one.
That one I don't have a lot of. This one's $8.30.
I need a size 11.
Do you like this one?
What about this one? That look nice.
I don't have a lot of.
Can you check for me?
That's the only one that I have.
Oh, jeez. Let me see the other one you want to show me. How much is that one?
$8.30.
$8.30? So that one is more expensive though.
I believe so. So the only thing that we could do here is maybe order it.
Please order it for me.
Let me grab the box.
Mbade ça qui vend $830. Monsieur a pas mérité $830. Son soulier $1,000 pour le mettre dans le pied. Artiste là. Elle là m'a pas habillé net. Un gros sandal vraiment pile. Ça belle en pile. Combien ça vend? Gucci ça vend $690. Pour qui ça pas gain deux pieds là-dedans? On a un sandal pour le mettre dans le pied. Ça vend $390. Madame Boyo. On va acheter Boyo pour lui. C'est pour l'aide pure l'aide. Pour le mettre dans le pied pour passer son gris mollier pour pied le belle là-dedans. I need a bell. A nice bell. A Gucci one.
We don't have Gucci,
Which one you have?
Ferragamo, and Versace.
Oh, jeez. How much is that, shoes?
I'm thinking if we could first order an 11.
11. Size 11.
I can't order it, and it's the same price as the other one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You remember the other one I bought? Okay.
Yeah.
What's new? What do you have new?
New, a lot of Balenciagas. A lot of Balenciagas. We have Alexander McQueen. This
No.
one's new.
I didn't say I don't want tennis.
This one.
Sneakers, yeah. That's oh, this one is Alexander. Okay.
Yeah. This one's new.
No, I need shoes.
Shoes?
Dressy shoes.
Honestly, we don't get a
Show me the 11 you have. And I'll let the public decide with me. And for the belt, you said you don't have no Gucci?
No Gucci.
Can you refer me somewhere?
The Gucci store inside the mall.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go there. C'est tout, Simon. Mais Versace. C'est tout, Versace. De couleur, ça vend $800. C'est ça, s'il vous plaît. Ça vend $695. That's nice. That's beautiful. Mon lot encore. Ça vend. On regarde dans son petit monde. Ça vend $495. I'm going to Gucci. Gucci, papa.
Yeah, because last time you got the one with the small G's on them.
C'est là que je acheté pour le monsieur. Je suis marié. Je suis venu acheter pour $1,000. Si mon est-ce que nous remèl dans le pays Kong, dans Meli. Est-ce que nous remèl? Est-ce que nous remèl? That's beautiful. I like it. That's a Gucci. Tout le monde qui aime le bon love. Est-ce que nous remèl? Let me know if you like it. Est-ce que nous remèl? Lip belt. Mon film on dit bon bagay. Okay, I'm getting that one. I'm paying for it. I need a belt. Explain to me where to go to Gucci to match.
I would probably two things. If you're okay with ordering it,
You could order it for me.
you could go into this boutique right here. I could introduce you to somebody, and they could order it for you. You just have to pick the belt. But if you want it now,
No, I order.
I was gonna say,
Let's go. Bring me to the shop. So when they order, how long it take? 1 or 2 days? Because the birthday is on the 29th. I want to send it before the 15th.
today's what?
It's for my icon.
We would have to stay here. Let me go ask. If
Yes,
not,
please.
then you could just head over to
Go
the
ask for me. I need a size, let me wear son sexy, monsieur. 34.
34.
Yeah. Monsieur sexy, 34 cap bonboli. À la bagaille. À la problème pour yeux, pour yeux, tu vois, moi, dans Bloomingdale, c'est mon chita, dans Bloomingdale. Je viens acheter petit Joe. Quand je me vois de ceinture, je vais le mettre vieux bagaille. Je vais la tisse, je vais mettre pas de bagaille. Faut le mettre en ceinture en chair. Ou get en fait pour là? Est-ce que vous avez envoyé comme là aller? Des gars, je lui parais, mais Western Union voyez comme là dans cam. Joseph Zenny, Joseph Junior Zenny. C'est fait li. Vous voyez comme ça le balai. Si vous pas confortable à zel moi, d'accord avant, on dit comme ça tout parce que moi j'ai mon son pèse. Joseph Junior Zenny. Dans cam, il paraît mais Western Union. Vous voyez dans cam et puis manager a fait ça ou bien vous voyez dans zel parce que comme on dit $500, faut mal voir comme li balé. Et comme li. Beaucoup checker zel là tout ça vini pour lui m'a balé. Là, dans mon cas, les gens, ça est important parce que c'est jour. Non, moi, dans Bloomingdale, m'a fait histoire pour artiste, moi, pour icon, live, ma shopping pour lui. Et pour les gens. Il y a des mascottes. Chien pas qu'on couille des machines gravées. Chien pas qu'on a la catailleur. Ma fait ça, ben. Ma vie, je vais avec bêtises, ben. Désordre. Première plus belle. C'est lui même brun. C'est première brun. La vie n'est pas tout. Il y a bon $12. Oui, $1000. Oui, il voulait le drive, on soulier $1000 pour jouer balle là. Besoin d'Aldo, par contre, ça se dit. Je ne sais pas si 34 par 34 parce que c'est une belle hauteur. They have? Oh, yes. So I can even buy now? Oh, that's nice.
Let me bring you up for this.
Okay, let me pay for this. Okay, thank you very much. On a tout acheté, toute bague au seul coup, yes.
Punch in your phone number?
My phone number, yes. Oh, that's 7.
So $8.88 with 10 cents. For your husband again?
Yes. No, for my eyes, it's somebody that sing. It's a singer. He playing the jazz, and I like him so much. His birthday is on the 29th, and I want to treat him nice. And I said, let me give him something.
You'll get that kindness back.
And how much is it?
$8.88 with 10 cents.
Count that.
That's 300.
That's 8. Okay. So, 9.
Not that. Yes.
Yeah, check if you're still agent Ubo.
Sorry, we get in trouble.
I know.
I feel like I should work at a casino instead.
Oh, comment est là?
Comment
est là.
Comment tu as fait?
Pas plus mal, non, baby?
Je ne sais pas
Ah ben. Nous l'avons eu là.
On l'a.
Oui, 2900.
On va faire la bonne famille.
On connaît nous mon cap, c'est pour ça nous, il y a un problème.
Yo connais?
Nous, les habitués que nous
Ah
connaissons.
oui, n'habitable de fond.
Chasser le naturel, il revient.
Le galop.
Hein?
Des bons pour tes enfants ou des enfants?
Des bons enfants.
Do you have 10 cents?
Yes.
Maybe 90 cents.
95 $, 900 combien de dollars? Ah la cause, je vais me payer 10 cents. Ay, blanc, pas petit rien aller, non, 10 cents tax. Okay. You want $1?
No, because I want
I think I have 10 cents is in my car or in my purse. Hold on, let me see. Where's only 10 cents, this pen. They're good there, Haïti. Regarde, personne dans notre monsieur. On va acheter pour ménage.
Don't worry about it.
Okay, so you're gonna bring me to Gucci now? Okay.
So because of your purchase, you got those $150.
Okay.
That
Oh.
are on your loyalist, and you can use them tomorrow.
I can use it tomorrow. Je suis un bel tibagay. Petit chemise, petit tintin pour ménage. Ça sont l'autre caisse. On va venir après. C'est déjà un bel tibagay sexy. Mais Gucci. Je vais rentrer dans Gucci qu'on y a. Mais Gucci. L'autre artiste ou mettez en valeur. Mettez l'artiste en valeur. Welcome to Gucci. Mon nom de habillé. Oui. On va l'obliger. Gucci. Aïe. Ça vous fait quand regardez mon sur l'avance. Oh yes.
I was thinking that one would be nice.
No.
Or here's the one without the snake.
Yeah, that one nice. Give me that one.
This one or
Yes.
that one?
Which one you think is better? Is young.
Is he flashy?
He's flashy. He's an artist. Something when he put it so they could see it. Boom. Give me the one that's more expensive. That one. Okay.
I'll tell him to bring it for you.
Thank you, sir.
And he's at 34, right?
Yeah, 34.
They're telling me that you have to go 2 sizes up because they run big.
Okay. It's sexy anyway. Je vais l'acheter ça sur un petit monde. Mwen de sak plus cher. Mwen de sak plus cher bro. Il va mettre pépé. Bah faire ça. Je pas qu'à crier au bari. Oui. Let me see. Let me show them the bell. Show them the bell. Pas internet. There's no internet. Ah. Maison Gucci. On va les amener en pile. Ça c'est reçu sous l'IA, bon Kembel. Oui, je connais bien là, papa. Moi, je vais les amener. Ah ben, je vais tourner pour lui. Did you get the bell for me?
We have it. I had to look at the computer first.
Okay.
He's gonna grab it for you.
Okay. Le téléphone n'a pas le décharger, oui. Même s'il décharge, comme monter la machine, on va retourner relais pour montrer nous. So where do I pay? With him or you?
Oh, I'm sorry. Wasn't he helping? I thought he let you in. I thought he was helping you.
Oh, yes, I need a belt.
Okay.
Can you get it for me? Because I'm in a rush. My phone is discharging.
Okay. What belt are you looking for?
I show it to him. The one with the snake on it.
What size? Oh.
Okay. Oh, thank you very much.